Active Lane Management, or ALM, is a feature that helps you avoid unintentionally departing your lane. It is not a lane-centering system. ALM uses a forward-looking camera to monitor your position within the lane and will provide steering assistance if you begin to leave the lane without using your turn signal. ALM also uses the blind spot monitoring sensors to detect vehicles in neighboring lanes, and it can provide steering assistance to help you avoid collision with these vehicles, even if you use your turn signal. You can configure many aspects of ALM in the Uconnect settings, including the type of assist between corrective steering assistance, haptic steering wheel vibration, if equipped, or both, warning zone sensitivity, which affects how close you can drive to the edge of the lane before the system will provide correction, the strength of the haptic steering wheel vibration, and the strength of the steering assistance. To turn the system on or off, push the Active Lane Management button. An Active Lane Management message will appear in the instrument cluster display, informing you whether the system has been turned on or off. You can also check the status using the LED light on the button, or with the lane lines graphic in the instrument cluster. These graphics can be seen on the Driver Assist page or in the ADAS telltale. In addition to steering wheel vibration and/or steering wheel assistance, if enabled in your Uconnect system, these graphics can inform you that you're approaching a lane line or crossing it. Even with steering assistance turned on, you can override the steering assist at any time by applying increased steering force to the steering wheel. ALM requires hands on the wheel at all times in order to function. In order for the system to detect your hands, you may be prompted to apply light steering force to the steering wheel periodically if you are driving on a straight road that doesn't require much steering to maintain the lane. ALM can detect a variety of lane markings, but performance may be limited on faded lane markings, road edges, tar strips, or in construction zones. ALM will also have reduced availability when driving into direct sun or in poor weather conditions. Never rely on ALM as a substitute for active driver attentiveness. Use extra caution in areas with narrow lanes or ambiguous lane markings, such as construction zones. ALM is designed to help you avoid departing your lane. It is not designed to keep your vehicle centered in the lane. If equipped, a separate feature called Active Driving Assist performs the lane centering and adaptive cruise control function. Active Driving Assist is independent from ALM, and ALM will be suppressed while ADA is in use. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.